Every day is filled with dangers. For early humans, it was an endless struggle for survival. But they also had something that helped them through the tough times, something that gave them hope and light in the dark: fire. Hey there, welcome to Paleo Chronicles. In today's episode, we will look at how fire changed everything for early humans. So let's jump into it. Imagine a world without fire. No warmth, no light, only darkness and wild predators lurking everywhere. This was the world our ancestors inhabited before they discovered how to control fire. Nights were long and cold, and humans huddled together for warmth, trying to drive away the darkness and the dangers that came with it. Fire was both a blessing and a challenge. While it could be used to hunt and to cook food, it was also capable of destroying everything in its path. But, as humans persisted, they eventually learned to harness its power, turning the very thing that had once threatened them into a tool for survival. In the beginning, fire was a mystery to humans. They didn't know where it came from or how to make it. It seemed like a magical occurrence that could bring both great benefits and terrible destruction. They observed that lightning strikes could start fires, but they couldn't control where or when these strikes happened. Volcanic eruptions were another source of fire, but they were too powerful and unpredictable to be of any use to humans. However, humans soon realized that they could create fire by rubbing two stones together. It wasn't easy, and it took a lot of effort and skill to get it right. But once they mastered it, they had a source of fire whenever they needed it. The discovery of fire was a turning point for early humans. It changed everything about how they lived and survived. For starters, fire made it possible for humans to see in the dark. Before fire, darkness meant danger. It was hard to find food and easy to be killed by predators. But with fire, humans could see and feel safe. They could see each other, so hunting and gathering was easier. They could see predators coming and run away or fight back. They could see better at night, so they weren't as afraid of the dark. Fire also helped humans cook food. Cooking made food safer to eat because it killed harmful bacteria and parasites. It also made food taste better and gave humans more energy. This extra energy helped humans grow bigger brains and stronger bodies. It also gave humans more time to do other things besides eating and sleeping. And finally, fire helped humans stay warm. Keeping a fire going was easier than huddling together for warmth, and it kept predators away. Humans could also cook and do other things while staying warm. Humans were no longer slaves to the darkness, the cold, or hunger. They had mastered fire, and now they could shape their world. The discovery of fire is one of the most important events in human history. It was a key factor in the development of civilization. Without fire, humans might have never developed the tools, weapons, and technology that they needed to survive and thrive. Fire gave humans the edge they needed to survive in a dangerous world. It helped them overcome the challenges they faced and achieve things they never thought possible. But some scientists go even further. They believe that mastering fire was a turning point in human evolution. With warmth, protection, and cooked food, humans could explore new territories, survive harsh climates, and outsmart other species. Fire became a symbol of survival, innovation, and progress. As we reflect on the importance of fire, we can't help but wonder how our lives would be different without it. Would we be able to survive? Would we be as advanced? Would we even exist? It's hard to say. But one thing is for sure: fire played a crucial role in shaping the course of human history. When you light a fire, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey that brought us this amazing tool. From the first primitive fires to the modern conveniences we enjoy today, fire has been with us every step of the way. It's a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the human spirit, and a reminder of how far we've come. So the next time you see a campfire, don't just think of it as a source of heat or light. Think of it as a link to the past, a connection to our ancestors who first discovered the secrets of fire and the amazing journey that led to where we are today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below with your thoughts. And if you want to learn more about fascinating topics like this, be sure to check out more episodes. Thanks for watching.